everybody, Joe here, and I'm really excited to introduce you to the amazing new Play Video Stack. It's even more badass than this shirt. So let's look at what sets Play apart from the rest of the video stacks that are out there. So one of the big things that sets Play apart is really apparent. It's the awesome and amazing hover animations for the thumbnails. In this particular example, we see that the thumbnail's actually rotating and scaling in. We have some different styling going on with the play button. And if we look at further down here, we even have some great, amazing animations where this button goes ahead and zooms and scales the entire width. And not only that, if we look a little bit deeper, we'll see that the thumbnail for this video is actually another video that's looping. This gives a great way for users to get a sneak peek of what is actually going to be seen inside the video once they click. Now we have two options for actually playing the video. In this demo, when we click, we'll see that the actual video plays in line on the web page. Now in this example, we'll see that when I click, the video will actually open up inside of a lightbox. Now configuring Play is super easy. Once you add it to the page, you'll notice that you have multiple ways to embed video. You can either easily bring in videos from YouTube, Vimeo, or HTML5, which will allow you to bring in a video file from your own server. Then you configure the URLs for that. Then we also have a lot of different options for thumbnails. By default, the video will actually bring in the thumbnail from the service. So either the poster image from HTML5 or from YouTube or from Vimeo. But you can also define your own images, either by drag and drop or warehouse, bringing them from Total CMS, or as we saw earlier, we can actually embed a video as our thumbnail as well. It's super easy to configure whether or not you want your player to be an inline player or actually open it up in a lightbox, which then shows some styles and animation options for that particular lightbox. Now, for any power users or foundation users, we can actually go ahead and add some custom classes and use our own swatches to style these thumbnails even further. Next is we have options for play button. Do we want it to be a circle or a rectangle? Then we have a bunch of style options here. We can actually customize the SVG that's within that button as well with our own custom SVG. And then we can customize the width and the borders and the radius and all kinds of stuff super easily directly right in the settings. And just as with the thumbnail, we can customize this button even farther with swatches in our own CSS using custom classes. And lastly, we have the ability to animate. So either we want to animate the button or just the thumbnail, or animate both the button and the thumbnail on hover. And then we have various options for that. And if you have some of the other amazing stacks from Weaverspace, you can easily integrate with Total CMS, Raincheck, and Cookie Jar so that we can make sure that we get faster page performance, make sure that users get cookie control so that, YouTube embeds might not be enabled by default, and you want to make sure that users actually accept that with Cookie Jar. So as you can see, Play has some really unique features not seen anywhere else on the web. It is super easy to configure, it's fast in performance, and it really looks spectacular. It truly is a badass video player. So I hope you enjoy Play. We will see you soon. Go out there and make your websites great.